Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Noun Phrase 510. The noun phrase today is a cult following. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot. Do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone says a film, book, or band has a cult following, it means the fans have great admiration for this specific area of culture and often follow it with enthusiasm of like a religious cult. Usually, cult following does not have mainstream appeal, but the fans who love them are extremely dedicated. So that's where the idea came from for the cult following. It's connected to the idea that followers of religious cults are usually have very strong enthusiasm for those. All right, let's continue. And we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. The Rocky Horror Picture Show was mostly a box office flop when it first appeared in theaters, but it had a cult following in the theater of New York City for over 4 decades. They mostly sold out, and many people might go there. Sometimes people see it 20, 30, 40, 50 times. They'll just keep repeating it, and they like to usually play along with the movie. Sometimes they play the parts. This was a cult following of this film. All right, number 2, the group Grateful Dead had limited mainstream appeal, but had a cult following among its fans who would travel across the country to see their performance. So if these fans that had the cult following was so dedicated, they would go around the country. Normally, people wait until a band comes to them, but they followed the band and kept their tour going. All right, number 3, the movie Woodstock from 1970 had a cult following from the hippie subculture for many years. Okay. And number 4, the novels On the Road by Jack Kerouac and Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance by Robert M. Persog are among the most famous novels with cult followings over the decades. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.